People have been people have been trying to find out about this long back. Studies conducted in the past 300 years have helped us to understand the process of cell division better. Scientists found that certain tissues appear to be dividing very fast, while in some others very slow. In some places cell division is very fast, in some places cell division is very slow. And they also found that in certain conditions of disease, cells appear to be growing in an uncontrolled manner. Now we call the state of uncontrolled division wanted to find out. Okay, so here in some cells cell division will be in uncontrolled manner. Okay, so uncontrolled means more than what our body need, more than that cell division takes place. Cell division in our whole body, in all parts of our body, takes place in a controlled manner. If it is uncontrolled, cell division is uncontrolled means more than control, more division is taking place means it is a one kind of disease. That means it is the extra growth, it is a disease called as a cancer. Okay, so while studying division of human blood cells, a doctor named Rudolf Virchow found that the information for cell division came from a nucleus. So cell division, each cell has the nucleus. For example, our finger made up of so many cells, but each cell has the nucleus. So cell division takes place from the nucleus. Okay, so development, okay, nucleus. Then next one, so division of the nucleus was followed by a division of cytoplasm and cell membrane. In the cell we have so many parts, like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, ribosome. So in all these things, for the cell division, what are the parts are helping means nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane. So figure A and B are types of scale that were drawn during 1850 and 1860. Okay, so these are the ones. So the cell division, these are the one. Cell division, how is taking place. Okay, now this is the nucleus in the cell. So now you see cell is dividing. When it is dividing, nucleus also divides. So it also got the nucleus and it also got the nucleus. So in the nucleus, what is there? Chromosomes are there. Now you see chromosomes, how they are dividing in the nucleus when the cell division is taking place. Yes, nucleus started to divide first in the nucleus. In the cell, first which one starts to divide? First the nucleus. Nucleus has the chromosomes, DNA, which are responsible for to bring the characters from the parents to the children. Now you see these chromosomes are divided. Now once the chromosomes that are present in the nucleus are divided, cell is divided. Okay, cell is divided into two. Now you see cell is dividing. Okay, so with the cell what goes? Cytoplasm also goes. So this is the cytoplasm, like liquid, so that also goes. And this is the outside cover is called as a membrane, cell membrane. Okay, so in the cell division, what are the parts divide first? Afterwards only mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, it will be forming by itself. Okay, so nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane. Okay, so this is the one. So here these are the illustrations of stages of cell division. A, B, C, D, E shows the various stages during this time. Walter Fleming observed the nucleus of the dividing cells and found that there was thread-like structure in dividing cells. He thus named the process of division mitosis. So here in the division, what is taking place? Chromosomes are first dividing. Chromosomes are present in the nucleus. So chromosomes are like a thread-like structure, chromosome shape, and structure is like what? Like a thread. So it is only dividing first. Okay, now you see how it is dividing. Okay, it is only divides first. That is why this cell division he called as a mitosis. The meaning of mitosis in Greek means thread-like structure. Okay, so the cell division he named as a continuous cell division, he named as a mitosis. That means it is the thread-like structure. Okay, so that is the one. Then he found that cells divided to produce more cells like their own. When the cells are dividing, the same cell is forming. Okay, for example, in the finger, from the birth we are growing. So in the finger, all the cells are different which are present in the finger, and in the leg different cells are present. That cells are not same like that cells present in the finger. Okay, so thus in the finger, when the cells are dividing, the same cells, the same type of cell we get. Okay, thus production of cells, reproduction of cells occurred by the process of cell division or mitosis according to Fleming. According to the Walter Fleming, the continuous cell division he called as a mitosis. Okay, so we know now that most cells in the body of multicellular, many cellular organisms divide by mitosis. That means division starts by chromosomes that are present in the nucleus, thread-like structure. Okay, so that is why divide by mitosis. That means dividing by thread-like structure, chromosomes. Okay, to give rise to more of their kind. Several uni means single cellular organisms like yeast, bacteria, amoeba, paramecium, etc., and certain multicellular, many cellular organisms like plants, hydra, etc., also reproduce processes that are based simply on mitosis. Based on the mitosis, that means dividing the chromosomes first in the nucleus. When the cells, that time only cell started to divide. Okay, so all this mitosis takes place in the multicellular organisms, also in the unicellular organisms. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, and the next one, but what is involved in starting the process of division? So in the process of division, what is involved, we study now. Okay, okay. Virchow is one scientist, had suggested that it was the nucleus. So which one started to divide the first, which helps to divide the first, the cell? Nucleus. Fleming saw thread-like structure in the nucleus. Scientists started to observe these thread-like structures to find out what they were composed of. So if the cells divided and the information for division seemed to be coming from the nucleus, and thread-like structure contained information even from parental generation, and then what was their composition? So in the nucleus, when the cell division start to take place, chromosomes are only first dividing in the nucleus. Okay, so these chromosomes are thread-like structure, but these chromosomes has the characters of the parental generation, the information about the parent. That means parent's skin color is like this, shape of the parent is like this, and characters of the parents are like this. So like that information chromosomes are having. When that chromosomes comes to the child also have the some characteristic and some shape and face like our parents. Okay, so this is the hereditary material. So again the next one, reproduction was process that distinctly separated the living and non-living entities. Thus, so because of this reproduction only, because of this continuous cell division only, it is divided between the living beings and non-living beings. Non-living beings, for example, textbook, where the textbook is growing for after 2 days, 3 days, after 1 year, non-living they are same, na? Stones and like they are same as it is. So but living things are growing like plants, animals, birds and microorganisms, all are growing. So this is because of this cell division only. They are divided because of the reproduction, but is producing again the same thing. So because of that only we can divide the living things and the non-living things. Okay. So here it was found that the thread-like structures were mainly composed of proteins and a compound called deoxyribonucleic acid DNA. So these chromosomes, what it is having? DNA. In the nucleus what is present? Chromosomes are present, and chromosomes has the DNA. DNA is made up of what? Protein. It is one kind of protein. DNA full name is what? Underline this one, deoxyribonucleic acid. So DNA was a material that carried information that was passed from one generation to the next. That means from like our parent, child also like that. So thus it was also called as hereditary material. So DNA also called as what? Hereditary material. So what is the hereditary materials? Means DNA. Chromosomes has the DNA. Thread-like DNA was wrapped around a proteins to form structures that we call chromosomes. Okay. So DNA was wrapped by a around the protein to form a structure, that was the chromosomes. So inside the chromosome what is it? DNA is there. So this DNA is one kind of protein. So around this protein chromosomes are present. Okay. So the thick thread-like structures in figure 5 are chromosomes. It was further observed that the process of mitosis lead to information of cell that continued the same number of chromosomes as the parental cell has. Okay, so chromosomes, our parent has how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. In each cell of our body has how many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes. And one cell is dividing to another cell, so it also has the 46 chromosomes and it also has the 46 chromosomes. So in these 46 chromosomes, 23 is we are getting from a father, and another 23 we are getting from a mother. So that is why we have the 46 chromosomes. Understand? 23 is from father and 23 is from mother. So in each cell we carry the 46 chromosomes. So cells formed by mitosis will also have a 46 chromosomes. Mitosis occurs in most cells of our body. The process of cell division involved in growth and development of a child in the mother's womb is largely also mitosis. In the mother's, where the cell division is very fast means in mother's womb. Womb only child is growing within 9 months. Na? So in the mother's womb only it is division is very fast. Okay, you know yesterday you have seen the picture na, where the mother's womb is present.